What does it take to achieve the healthy lifestyle you always wanted? Do you constantly feel tired? Are you always stressing over your weight? Does it feel like you don't fit in to today's standards? Believe me, your chief knows how you feel. But the good news is, you're not alone. Everyone has food cravings, including me. And I know how hard it is to resist. And I know that we have all tried every version of dieting, but it never seems to work to a point that diet has become a bad word. Well guys, good news. We have got you covered. At Qnet, we've been working on a solution for the past few years. We brought together experts. We have done research of every single potential ingredient around the world. And finally, after searching far and wide for a natural solution that will not only help you manage your weight, but will also regulate your cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Finally, it's here guys. A fusion of natural ingredients like green tea, African mango, peppermint, cinnamon, and many more ingredients from Mother Nature. And we took science to extract the best of all these natural ingredients, and we have arrived at an unbelievable product.
We tried Belite to see the results for ourselves. This is Qnet's commitment to you.
Exercising has brought us closer together in this organization, and it has actually benefited all of us. The need to actually inspire each other through collective work efforts.
It's time to start fresh. Push your limits. Believe in yourself. Be healthy. Be more. Be light.